Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Digital Microscope. The product has an 8.5-inch LCD screen, which is larger and displays clearer. The angle of the microscope display can be adjusted to facilitate multi-angle observation. The metal bracket can be adjusted front and rear. Outdoor Wi-Fi router. The AC1200 high-power Wi-Fi AP repeater is mainly used for providing free Wi-Fi service in big areas such as factory, community, street, or etc. The AP repeater can take an existing 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz wireless signal, repeat and extend. Biometric Security Door Lock. The Biometric Smart Door Lock is a safety measure every home needs. Say goodbye to frantically searching for your keys once you get home. Thanks to the smart features of the app, you have a lot of freedom. Live streaming web camera. This video recording and streaming software makes creating content with StreamCam easy, fast, and intuitive. You and your audience will enjoy an ultra-smooth, high-quality streaming experience with accurate motion. Smart Pen. Combining traditional handwriting with Bluetooth 5.0 and high-precision electromagnetic induction technology, transform your handwritten information into a digital form in real time. Realize a real record of every piece of your handwriting. 8 ports quick charge. Ideal for home, office, travel, and other indoor uses. Multi-ports to meet your needs. Fit for iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, LG, Lenovo, HTC, Sony, Google. Charge several devices at the same time. 1.5 wire. Comes with LED display screen. Window cleaning robot. Smart window cleaning robot. Intelligent imitation real wet wipe. NO slip 12.5 cm ultra thin section. High speed and strong torque. Wipe cleaner. Vacuum. Adsorption. NO drop stronger adsorption and more stable machine adsorption. Digital ultrasonic cleaner. Fashionable stainless steel appearance. 0.304 stainless steel tank. Corrosion resistant, heat resistant, safety and durability. Built-in 1 PCS industrial transducer. 60 watts. 0.18 times cleaning cycles for optional. Smart Sous Vide Cooker. Biometric new launched 3rd generation Sous Vide cooker with 4 preset recipe buttons and Wi-Fi app control. The digital touchscreen control panel shows temperature settings on a clear, easy-to-read display. Walkie-talkie for kids. Sleek, brightly colored kids walkie-talkies in a super cute bunny design. Attractive for girls and boys. Durable and non-toxic ABS plastic material. And 0.5 watts transmission power, delivering very low radiation. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.